Okay guys, today I'm gonna do the video about the air filter on the BMW x6M or x5M and it's so easy and simple to take it out. Okay, see, it just sits like this in the engine bay, right? Something like that in there, something like that. Okay, so there's a bolt here, it's like a 13 or something. All you have to do is just twist it. One here, one right here, see, right there, and one right in there. You just give it a turn and then take it out. Okay, take it out. Then all you have to do, I just put the new one in. Okay, see the clip right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, push this clip both sides and lift it up. You need your hand free in order to do this. It's a lot easier. Okay. Otherwise it's not easy because you break this clip. So easy. So you know what I mean. Very easy. Just both hands, push this clip this side, this way, and then put it back in reverse. Order that you take it out, and it needs to go in here. This clip, it needs to clip. Clip. I'll click it. Okay, and then just put it back in, and you save yourself tons of money. Don't bring it to a dealership. They freaking, clean out your bank account, everything you do. Very easy and simple. And this here, the sensor, make sure you don't break it. All right, and then just put it back and bolt it and done. Thanks, guys.